Treasure Island is chemical paints industry and we've been in the business for almost 70 years already. We have a wide reach and our products are available in Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon, and even some parts of Asia.
Our partnership with Treasure Island started way back 2017. They opened about the project to tap fast logistics to cater all their needs for warehouse and transport.
We are really looking for a suitable third party that can support us in our projects.
So far si Treasure Island, growing kayo ang iyang sales dire sa amo ang store. Kasagaran sa among mga customer, mga contractors, doon na sa mga walk-in nga mga customer nato.
Common syllable sa Treasure Island is primer, latex, and enamel.
Sa among mixing, customer mo pili siya sa among standard mga colors available sa among chart and common mix ta.
We started for one lane, which is in Palawan.
As we gained our trust and credibility with them, we were able to expand our business in Visayas and Mindanao, specifically for Zamboanga, in which we are now servicing their warehouse as well as their transport services. We were also able to support Treasure Island for their warehouse project in Tacloban. Along with this, we were also able to support Treasure Island for our Moc Davao and Jensen market.
Our goal, especially in distribution, is to establish a wide range of network to support our growing volume.
Business review was also established as part of our regular monthly meeting, and it's also a venue for us to express and address both concerns of FAST and Treasure Island.
Innovative initiatives, meron kaming hybrid third-party warehousing which FAST will manage the manpower and that's very unique. Grabe yung established na process at saka controls. Of course, FAST did deliver the performance well.
As their trusted partner, we assured Treasure Island to support their logistics needs. FAST is flexible in terms of extending our operations to even request our ORMOC agency to directly catch the shipment for delivery the same day for all within city, just to hit the required delivery day.
The biggest challenge we had was during the time the Typhoon Paeng hit the region.
During lockdown, a lot of struggles and challenges are thrown, especially in logistics operations.
Because of our commitment to serve customers with excellence, we moved to a facility that is newly built and flood-free.
At FAST did the service very well. Wala nahimong hindrance ang pandemic to deliver the service and reach our KPI, which is on time, in full, damage-free delivery.
Dito sa Zamboanga, it was only experimental. Pero pila ka months, wala good sila nag-expect na ni double or triple ang ilang sales.
Sales sa Treasure Island, mo top 3 siya, mo top 1.
We have received a lot of feedbacks from our customers, which is good, in the areas of Palawan, Zamboanga, Tacloban. And they said our products are really good in terms of quality, in terms of the delivery, on time, in full, damage-free, achieve na achieve.
As a logistics provider, we are here to provide solutions for our customers.
FAST has contributed to our growth, and we see that in our project warehouses and cross-docking, it really helps us in growing sales and satisfy our customers.
During the years, we were able to retain their trust, and that is our greatest milestone. A lot of improvement and innovation is yet to come as we grow with them. We need to continuously collaborate as we aim to improve our service and relationship with our partners.
Working with FAST is working with excellence. The people, the service, especially in terms of urgency, madali silang tawagan, automatic yung delivery, any services such as warehousing na provide.
As we continue to expand our business and warehouses, we see to it that Treasure Island is with us every step of the way. Your success is our success.